unlock transaction. Subline here. Okay. Okay, so here's the unlock build data JSON. So we have three action object here. So the first one is spend account and spend the output. This is the unlock method here. So the output ID is the one that we just copied before, the corresponding control program output ID. And inside the argument, we need to see, like, as I showed before, like the contract, as we show here, like the argument that we input for the unlock procedure, it must be like the signature, right? And the signature must be verified. We have to meet this condition, verify the check signature equal to the public signature. So what I copied before is the first public key of Alex. So in here, we have to just paste the same exact Alex public key signature as well. So here's the transaction type, is the signature type, right? So what I have, the row transaction type must be exact the same type before. The chop up, root chop up, and the derivative path is this derivative path. Derivative path is the same. Yeah, okay. Derivative path is this. The chop up is root chop up, which you could find on the dashboard. I think, yeah, I think dashboard as well, or the command line. You can also find it on the command line or the dashboard. Say Alex, right? Here, that's account chop up here. It has to be, yeah, you could just copy it for the account chop up here. And for the, what else? And the second parameter, the second action object here is that we need to have the BTC assert ID here. The unlock command that you want to unlock, it has to be exact the same that we have before. So the BTC assert ID and 100 BTC, and the control program. The control program as that's another one, another specification on the contract that we met here. Okay. So the contract program here, it must be logged the amount of a service only saver. So the program that I used before is the Bob's address, right? So I'm gonna copy the control program and paste here. Program paste here. The Bob's control program. That's a Bob control program and paste here. And the third object is you want to spend gas, BTN gas, right? So yeah, as well, I want to spend it from the account Alex. Okay, so after this, we will do the build transaction as before as well. So. Okay, so we build the unlock data and its success. And the same procedure for our site and submit as well. We just copy the row transaction part, and we copy that and use our dashboard to site and submit as well. advance here, site submit. Okay, now you see that Bob got the 100 BTC that I logged before. So what I've been waiting now is we're gonna wait this transaction to convert. Just wait a minute. Block is 201. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, cool. Now you can see that we just unlock our smart contract into the account Bob. So yeah, that you finish the step of lock and unlock procedure. So okay, yeah, just for the just build your unlock transaction, and then you build and submit, and that's the unlock procedure. Then now you already go through the procedure of lock and unlock. So you could now try to write your own smart contract, and you could do your lock and unlock procedure right now. So yeah, I think that's the end.